कैन आई डू मास मीडिया आफ्टर 12th? अगर आप अभी फिलहाल 12th में हो या गैप ईयर में हो और मास मीडिया में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हो, गाइज मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड, बिकॉज आई एम गोना टेल यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग कि इंडिया में आप मास मीडिया कहाँ से पढ़ सकते हो, कौन से एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है जो आपको देने पड़ सकते हैं और आप उसे कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो एट द सेम टाइम, विच इज द बेस्ट सिटी टू स्टडी मास मीडिया। और आखिरी सवाल कि आप मीडिया क्यों करना चाहते हो, अगर ये सवाल आपके पास है। ऑल्सो इफ योर पेरेंट्स आर आस्किंग यू कि यार मीडिया में करियर क्या है, वो सवाल का जवाब भी आपको मिल जाएगा। सो मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड। Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. This is the only exclusive channel for the media students because I make authentic videos for you guys where you can plan your career in mass media. And indeed, there are a lot of videos on my channel on mass media that you can go and watch if you want to know everything about mass media, be it film, be it travel journalism, be it photography, and lot more. Now coming to today's topic कि अगर आपको 12वीं के बाद मास मीडिया करना है तो how you can plan. So guys, one thing you need to know is you have to do it from the right place, because I have been teaching mass media students for more than 12 years, and trust me, if you do it from a mediocre college or a place where you don't get exposure, then this degree becomes just a degree. और जो कहावत है ना कि यार मीडिया वालों को जॉब नहीं मिलती, वो सच हो जाएगी। So you have to be very particular। अगर आप मास मीडिया पढ़ना चाहते हो तो थ्योरी तो आप सब जानते हो और मास मीडिया में पढ़ने जैसा क्या है, राइट? ये सबसे बड़ा एक सवाल आता है। बट देयर इज लॉट टू स्टडी इन मास मीडिया, बिकॉज मास मीडिया एक ऐसा करियर है जो काफी ज्यादा क्रिएटिव है, चैलेंजिंग है, हमेशा चेंज होते रहता है, कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा है। सो यू हैव टू बी इन द प्लेस जहां पे आपको एक्सपोजर मिले और राइट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज मिले, विच मीन्स इफ यू आर स्टडिंग मास मीडिया you have to do it from the metro cities indeed, because you gonna get the right kind of exposure। और किसी कारण से अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो, so you will have to take the exposure online, which means you will have to watch videos, gain knowledge on your own, and work for the experience. Now talking about the cities that you can list down, the top one for the media is Mumbai, second is Delhi, third you can consider Pune, and fourth Bangalore, and fifth Chandigarh. These are the places where I would suggest that you can study media. If you are going towards south, then definitely you have option like Karnataka, Kerala, and Chennai. So if you're planning to study media in India, these are the 8 best places that you can study media from. So if you're planning to study from Delhi and Central University like Delhi University, Banaras University, IPU से करना चाहते हो तो आपको CUET देना mandatory है, where you will have to give your general test and your English domain and mass media domain. Do let me know in the comment box below if you need a detailed video on mass media domain. पिछले साल का मैंने already बना दिया है, but if you need for 2025 update, you have to comment below and let me know so that I can come up with the video. How to prepare वो भी आपको पिछले वीडियो में सारी डिटेल्स वैसे भी मिल जाएगी। Now coming to the other important is IPU-CET, ये अपना खुद का उनका होता है। Third is DUET, which Delhi University Entrance Test, जो कि वो खुद कंडक्ट कराते हैं। Fourth, if you are planning to study in Mumbai, then Xavier's College, which is the top college for mass media, वो अपना खुद का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लेता है। अगर आप जय हिंद कॉलेज में पढ़ना चाहते हो तो वो अपना खुद का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लेता है। So it's really important guys, you have to let me know in the comment box below that where are you planning to study from, and accordingly I can tell you कि कौन सा एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है जो आपके लिए सही रहेगा। Also guys, if you want to get in touch with me for one-on-one consultation, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you. Now coming to Pune, there are a lot of students who target for symbiosis. You will have to give SET, which is symbiosis entrance test. आपको ये सारे जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है ये थोड़े से ध्यान में रखने हैं। Also, there are most of the colleges will give you admission on your 12th standard marks. So your 12th standard marks are important. ये the entrance exam depending on where you want to take admission, आपको उनके लिए prepare करना होगा। क्या entrance exam difficult होता है guys? If your English is good, if your general knowledge is good, general basic awareness of media and advertising is good, आप आराम से crack कर लोगे। And we do run a crash course for media students. You can contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share the details with you. depending on which media course are you planning to give. Now coming to the most important question, क्या media में career options है? Guys, there are hell lot of career options in media. इस पे भी मैंने काफी सारे videos बनाए. अगर आप पैसे की बात करो, अगर आप career की बात करो, दोनों ही चीजें यहाँ पे हैं. But don't worry about कि मुझे journalist नहीं बनना, मुझे reporter नहीं बनना. भाई, apart from that, there are so many things that you can do as a creative person. So, what is that you are interested in? You need to figure out. Is it technical? क्या आप फिल्म में जाना चाहते हो? क्या आप फोटोग्राफर बनना चाहते हो? क्या आप डीओपी बनना चाहते हो? क्या आप डायरेक्टर बनना चाहते हो? Also, if you want to be on stage, are you somebody who can be a best compare, anchor? Then you can be a host. So depending on किस तरीके का प्रोफेशन आप चूज करना चाहते हो, there is lot of opportunities for you guys. You want to go into event, you want to go into television, you want to get into acting, you want to get into modeling. It all depends on what you want to do. There's marketing, there's social media marketing, there's creative, advertising. I can go on and on. I can, literally tell you 25, 30 ऐसे ही बिना कुछ देखे, and there are more than 1,000 profile that a media professional can work on in communication field, in film, in radio, in television, in digital media. There is lot of option. तो अगली बार अगर आपको कोई ये बोले कि मीडिया में तू करने क्या वाला है, जस्ट अपने स्ट्रेंथ को एक बार सोच लेना कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो. उसके बाद you can always check out my channel where I'll give you all the important profiles depending on what are your strengths. So I have started something for you guys, that is the Media School, where I'll be exclusively talking only about media. So you can follow me there as well on Instagram and YouTube both. I hope guys the video was informative. अभी भी आपके पास कोई भी question है, do let me know in the comment box below, which will help me to understand your question and make more informative videos on the field of media. And yes, students also are giving PG CUET or want to get into masters in public relations or advertising or journalism or mass media in general or films. I will be coming up with all the information soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.